So today we will learn about layer, the last topic in normal commands. We will only have layers. So draw tools completed, modify tools completed, layers today will be the last topic. So annotation or text completed, blocks completed, layers, it's another layer only, I will tell you now. So groups not mean measuring, it means dimensions, radius, length, angle, everything will be there. Okay, clipboard, copy and paste. So already we can move and copy, already we have the tools. Okay, so already we have layers. Okay, already I have created some of the layers, but I am deleting it. We'll take a new fresh page. Okay, go for menu, then go for new, ACAD. Okay, then select open. Okay. So after selecting open, what you have to do first, they're having layers. Okay, these are layers. So what is mean by layers? Okay, for example, for construction home, we have a home plan. Okay, in home plan we have a electricity line, we have a gas plumbing line, and gas line and plumbing line. So there are 3 to 4 lines inside of the wall. Okay, so whenever for example, we have a plumber. Okay, we have a plumber, he want to works in our area or works in our plant. Okay, what he need only the plumbing lines, in between water pipelines. He does not, he don't have any work on electricity line or gas line. Okay, in this case, in the same diagram, the electricity line and gas line type can be hide. Okay, if these two lines are hiding, okay, but the remaining lines only plumbing. Okay, in help of this plumbing he can do the plumbing objects, plumbing works. Okay, next comes to the electrical work. So electrical, what he need only the electrical work, he doesn't need any plumbing or gas line work. Okay, so plumbing and gas line work will be hide. Okay, it's hide in layers. Okay, that is a common example of using layers. Okay, so how we will use layers now? Okay, simply type LA. Okay, for layer command, write down LA, enter. Then after selecting LA, enter. So after selecting LA, enter, Control Z. So close it. I'm closing this again. Type okay, LA, enter. So I have to minimize the minimize it. Okay, so see, so after selecting layers, LA, enter, this will be your dialog box of layers. Okay, this will be your dialog box of layers. In layers you have to keep a name here. Okay, it means, for example, you are from civil department, so civil having walls, bricks, windows, door, etc. Okay, these thing we can write the name like this. So by default we have one layer only, so layer contains name, okay, so these are very important ones. See, on, it means you have you can visible the layer of what you have did in the zero name. Okay, next freeze, it means it will visible but it won't, we can't use modification on that layer. Okay, next lock, it won't move, it won't copy. Okay, next color of the layer and line type. Okay, line type already we have here by layers, line type. Okay, and line width. Okay, this is transparency. So already transparency is not needed because already we have a lock or color or freeze. Transparency we can visible here. Okay, and next one is plot. Okay, it doesn't need plot style, and print also not needed. So first what you have to do, you have to click here, again click, you can modify the name. Foreign layer cannot be renamed, so close it. So for new layers we have a option here. Okay, new layer, alt n, alt plus n. So no need of making the alt plus n, simply type here new layer, enter. Okay, new layer is entered. So here what you have to do, you have to write a name, specific name of the layer. Okay, for example, we need gas line type. Okay, I am writing here GAS. Okay, in gas line type what we need, so don't touch these three for okay, on, freeze and lock. Okay, don't do any modification on these three now. Simply for gas line type we need a red symbol, it means it's caution symbol. Okay, it means danger symbol. Okay, I'm selecting as red color. Okay, select OK. So color is completed. Next go for line type. Okay, we have line type gas, click here. So after selecting this, okay, again select on continuous. So we have only two line types. If you need more line types, so according to multi-line I have already explained, go for load. Okay, so gas line type we have gas here, GAS. Okay, so if not coming, just simply scroll down here, you can see the gas line types. Here we have gas line type. Okay, OK, again select here gas line type, again select OK. Okay, see here line type is gas. Okay, line weight, it means thickness. If you select here, thickness will be right. So I'm setting little bit thicker, select OK. Okay, transparency, color box doesn't need. Simply I'm going for more 3. Okay, gas light I'm completed. I'm writing here. So first click, then second click, only change the name. Okay, just see. First click, second click, change the name. So what I am making, plumbing. Okay, I'm selecting plumbing. So you have to change the color. So what is the plumbing color? It's whatever, sky blue of water, right? So take it sky blue. Okay, so line type also you have to change, because if you change one line type, the remaining line type also it comes as it is. So go for line type. So plumbing need we have a hot water supply. Okay, I'm using that HWS, hot water supply. Here hot water supply, it comes under plumbing only. So I'm selecting again OK. Okay, so after selecting OK, again you have to select hot water supply, again you have to select OK. Okay, hot water supply completed. So here we completed 0, gas, layer 1 and plumbing. So layer 1 I will take it as line. Okay, what are the line? It's exactly current lines or electricity lines. So I'm making it here, what is electricity? We have a zigzag line on the last. Okay, so make it as electricity, for example. Okay, I can select here, I can select OK. So this zigzag line is completed, but gas line is red. So in layer 1, click 2 times and write it as electricity or current. Okay, current, name of the color of the current, what we can keep red completed. I'm making it yellow and selecting OK. Okay, these are 3 line types. So every line type we can manage it. Okay, plumbing needs little bit thicker compared to normal one. Okay, so current doesn't need any thickness, so I'm making it default, and gas line also little bit thickness. Okay, okay, now everything completed. After completing these 3, select OK and close. Now for example, I am making a home plan area, a basic home plan layout. Okay, so for that I have to open another area or open another file, drawing file. Okay, on desktop I already selected this one. I'm selecting open. Now here select the area, Control C, minimize it. Okay, this is our new one. Okay, this is your, okay, this will your line type. So I am making it paste. Okay, sometimes zooming doesn't work. Z enter, A enter, simply it shows. Okay, so don't type Control 0. If you select Control 0, there will be no line types. You have to select again and again. Okay, Control 0 again for normal screen. Now you have to make, okay, you have to make electricity line or gas line or plumbing line. Okay, go for layers. In that layer we have a types. So I'm making first one as plumbing. Well, after selecting plumbing, simply you have to type L enter. It means line enter. The line what you will draw, that's belong to plumbing now. Okay, for basic we need from washroom. Okay, for normal I am selecting here. Okay, Control Z. Okay, F8 for straight line. For plumbing I am taking like this. Okay, so where is another, select here like this. We need another. So obviously in the dining room we need water, and kitchen also we need water. Okay, just make a line, simply drawn lines. Exit. Now see what is this hot water supply we did. Okay, we did a hot water supply area. Okay, actually these thing we have to make near the wall only. For easy clarification I have did this. Okay, for more clarification I am making hatch. Okay, so hatching I am selecting this one. Enter. Okay, these are water supply what you have did before. So now after completing plumbing I am going for gas. So gas means only a thing, only a single place where we will use, that is kitchen. So I'll enter again. So gas line type I am selecting here from same center axis. Okay, again another one. Okay, so some other topics we have LTS, enter. Space scale factor 2, enter. Okay, see there is little bit these thing we can use. So if you zoom out, there is no visibility of that it is gas. Okay, simply I am zooming little bit. Okay, so now type LTS, line type style or line type scale, enter. So before selecting, select the line. Okay, type here LTS, enter. So I'm making it 5, enter. Okay, see a little bit larger gas cable line is available. Again before selecting LTS, select the line, type here LTS, line type scale, enter. I am making it 10. Okay, now you can easily visible this area gas line type. Okay, like this we can use layers. So again after completing gas line type I am going for electricity or current. So current will be used everywhere. current will be used everywhere. I'll enter. See, from kitchen I am taking, here will be the fan. Okay, from going inside the wall, just visible clearly. So you can easily understand where it is going. So for example, we have a fan exactly on here because it is a table. Exit, escape, continue, again set here, again for TV. So here we have a TV area. Okay, I am selecting here up to here, escape. Okay, again continue. For bedroom we have to keep fans, escape, continue, again for toilets, okay, escape. Like this the electricity line passes. Okay, again. So after continuing of this same thing, so I am making total home total home electricity here only. Okay, for fan making here one, etc. and exit, again select here. For kitchen, fan, escape, continue, going to outer area, means outside of home. See, where I have selected these corners, that is belonging to fan. So why it is coming? Because we have a line type, current line type, and I have taken circle. Again continue. Simply can easily understand this. These are fans. Okay, what I have selecting, these are fans. Okay, these are fans we have completed. So this line type, okay, gas line type completed, electricity line completed, and water line completed. Okay, after completing these three, so now if you are going to give this plan diagram to a plumbing person, and plumbing person don't need any electricity line and gas line type. It should visible, but he can't make modification on that. Okay, at the time what you have to do, select gas line type. So we have options here. So in current, for example, now the plumbing work starts. So in current I am making it so there cannot be freeze because of the current layer. Okay, leave it. Okay, so I am making it lock. When you are making it lock, okay, we can move. Okay, see, before locking it's little bit shading in color. Okay, shading in color. What plumbing and gas line will be the as it is. Okay, for example, I am removing the lock, it will again comes to the original position, into thicker line. So same thing, the remaining objects also it works the same. So here I am offing the current area, turn off the layer, electricity line. Okay, I have removing the electricity line. Again you can turn on. Okay, simply select this, again you can turn on. That is the real work of layers. Okay, for example, a person working on gas line type, but he don't want any current or plumbing area, simply off this, and plumbing area also off. Okay, what are the remaining thing? Only gas line type. Okay, only gas line type remaining. If total gas line type is completed, simply go for current, again select on the remaining two plumbing area. Lock means it can visible, but you can't modify it. Okay, next, freeze. Okay, So what is freezing? So it doesn't freeze. Okay. Plumbing is freezed, it means it's hide, the plumbing hide. So I'm removing again from the, okay, freeze. Again I'm selecting, see I'm selecting now electricity freeze, current, okay, select freeze. Okay, the last layer only we have did this electricity, or is completing a little bit complication. So go for plumbing and always freeze the gas line type, simply it confusing. So meaning of freeze is hide, meaning of lock is locking the layer, you can visible but you can't modify it, okay. And this will be turn off, it means totally remove the area, okay. Okay, on this, okay, this is the concept of layers. So remaining will be, the remaining diagrams will be from 3D, okay. We will start from 3D tomorrow. Okay. Learn about this thing, you have to make a home plan layout and try for these electricity lines. Okay, I have said you how to increase the gas line type area. Simply type here LTS line type scale. So already we have 10, I am making it 15, enter. Okay, so if you select normally, every line type will be changed. See, so in this area I want to see the gas line type. See now, LTS, enter, then select. Here I am selecting as 50 directly. Okay, so you can select the gas line type easily. Okay, but the remaining time type is little bit disturbed because of area, compressing of area. Control Z. Okay, so hope just try well. If having any complication in layers, just ping me in message. From tomorrow we will start 3D, basic 3D. Okay, so before basics 3D I will explain you how a 3D works, how a 3D area looks like, how a windows looks like. Okay, next class will be the basic of 3D, and the day after tomorrow I will start total 3D tools, complete 3D tools. Okay.